In this video we are talking about if Algorand is going to even lower levels or if we see a massive run to the upside. As you can see, we started our bullish move from this demand zone right here to the top. It were about 2800%, and as we crashed from this high to the prices right now, we saw a 96% correction. If you saw my last videos about other cryptocurrencies, you saw that we always had a demand zone right here where we started this explosive move to the upside, and most of the crypto coins reacted right here in this zone and found some bullish support to go to the upside. But if we look at Algorand, we see that we come to this demand zone right here and that we continue our bearish structure and that we broke the last low right here with a lower low. You can see that we have a body close right here with a weekly candle under this line, and that's a very bad sign for Algorand. But now the question is Algorand going to even lower levels, or do we see a bullish consolidation right here and a bullish push to the upside? If you look at this supply zone right here, we saw an explosive bearish move to the downside and we broke our last lows right here with this bearish push. Then we found some bullish support right here, moved out of the demand zone, but then we broke to the downside, broke the last low right here, and we are now on all time frames bearish. If I compare Algorand to the other cryptocurrencies I reviewed on YouTube, I think that Algorand from the technical perspective looks the worst. So is this the end for Algorand? In my opinion, it's not the end for Algorand, because as you can see, we are here on the daily chart. We saw this last low right here and we didn't saw a body close under this purple line. We just saw one liquidity grab right here, and as you can see, we didn't build a lower low with a body close. That's not a bad sign for Algorand, but at the same time it's really important that we now see a push to the upside to break this last highs right here, because when we don't see a bullish reaction to the upside, the possibility that we go even lower is very high, because we don't see some bullish reaction from Algorand. So am I buying Algorand right now or am I selling? I'm now at the sidelines on Algorand because it didn't look any bullish. When I don't have any bullish sign in an altcoin, I don't invest in it. So for me, it's very important that we break this highs right here, and then it's very important how we react at this order block, because we saw from this order block an explosive bearish correction to the downside. So the possibility that large institutions sold their Algorand right here is very high. So for me, it's very important that we break this order block to the upside. Otherwise, we don't have any bullish signs for Algorand to go to the upside. So in the near future, I will make a video on Algorand if anything happens that Algorand is going to the upside. So feel free to subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss the next update on Algorand or other cryptocurrencies. But if we see a bullish momentum to the upside, what are my next important resistance areas? As you can see, we have this order block right here, which caused this bearish move, and we broke the last low. So this order block is very strong. I think it's really important that we break this order block to the upside, and in the best case, this supply zone right here or this supply zone to see even higher levels. But there's also a question: has Algorand the potential to go to his last high or even higher? If we come back to the last high, we see a 3000% rally to the upside. So the chances to the upside are very high. And I think Algorand is very interesting because it's a coin for the World Economic Forum. If you know it, please write it down in the comments. So for the near future, it's very important that we don't break this purple line to the downside, because then there's a high possibility that we go to even lower levels with Algorand. So as I said, I want to see a bullish reaction and that we break this highs right here and this massive order block, because then the possibility to go to the upside is higher. As I said, if anything interesting happens at Algorand, I make a video. So if you don't want to miss it, subscribe to this channel. So this was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits in trading and crypto, and see you in the next one.